Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are going to be doing what I am calling a makeup face-off. Today's category is mascaras, and I am going to be pitting the Benefit Bad Gal Bang against the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara to see which mascara is the best mascara. I am super excited about this video, you guys, because I've obviously never tried either one of these, so I really hope that you are excited. And if you would like to see which mascara is the best mascara, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting off with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. This retails for $25 and you are getting 0.3 ounces in the container. This claims that this is an up to 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara that layers easily to build massive volume without weighing down lashes. It creates, again, massive volume. The gravity-defying formula builds volume the more you layer and contains aero particles, one of the lightest materials from space technology. Its custom big, slim-packed brush is designed to reach every lash for big volume with 360-degree reach. That is something to point out, that both of these do have very different wands. So that's going to be interesting to test out. This is what the packaging looks like on the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. It's almost got like a soft touch kind of matte packaging with like really cool pointy spiky lids. I'm pretty excited about this. Let's open this up and check out the wand. Ooh, okay. It is very much a rubberized grip wand. It's pretty long, and when I touch it, it's pretty bendy. So that's kind of exciting. It is very, very black. This is what it must mean when it says like it's going to be able to like reach and get all up in there. I'm pretty excited about that. Let me wipe this finger off because I'll end up touching my face with it. Hold on. So the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara also retails for $25, so there is no big price difference, which I like. I didn't look into this beforehand, but I like that they're equally priced. That way I'm not like, well, this one is so much more expensive, so that's really a big bonus there. This says that this is a high-intensity mascara for maximum drama and lift with revolutionary creamy mousse formula for extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative plyomers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking in up to 24 hours of smudge and flake-resistant curl. This is what the packaging on the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara is. This is very, very hefty feeling. It's got like a really shiny pink kind of prismatic looking packaging. I like that I use that word. Go brain. But so anyways, this is what it looks like. Like I mentioned, it's very, very hefty feeling. It does feel very expensive. Opening her up, this does have a much thicker lid, if you will. Oh my gosh, how many times do I have to fold it? So this is what this wand looks like. This is a very thick wand, and they say it has more of an hourglass type shape, which I can definitely see. So starting off, we're going to go with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I'm going to use this on this eye over here. Okay, I'm gonna stop after that. That is what one coat of the Bad Gal Bang looks like. Only doing the underside. I know some people will brush down the top. I didn't want to do that yet. I just wanted you guys to see. I honestly like that, just real quick off of first impression. It does have it a little more separated in this area, which isn't my favorite, but I don't want to do too many coats at once because I want to see how they build at the same time. I do like the length that it gave me, and I do feel like it's pretty dang black, where like if I stand back, you can definitely see that I have mascara on as compared to this eye. So we are really quickly going to move on to a coat of the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. She's much clumpier. I will say there's like a lot of product all over the wand. I scraped a bit off just because I don't want it to go everywhere. Just because, like, if you've used the Too Faced Better Than Sex, you know, like, you like try and do it and you'll literally cover your whole lid, which is why I'm not wearing eyeshadow for that one reason. But let's go ahead and start. will say, this has a really funky smell to it. It was quite a strong odor because I didn't notice that this one had a smell. I'm gonna smell it. Yeah, so this one doesn't have that much of a smell. It just kind of smells like normal mascara. This honestly smells like almost like weird paint or like a doctor's office. I really don't like the smell of this, so if you're sensitive to smells, that may be something to keep in mind. That's one layer of each on my eyes. It appears that this is providing more length while this is providing more volume right off the bat. So there is that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add another coat. We're going to start with the Bad Gal Bang, and we're just going to see how this builds up. So I'm just going to start doing this. I will bring a little bit on the top now. One little push down, because I know some people do that and you want to see how it does it. And then just, wow, I missed the whole lash that time. So there is 2 layers of each. I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit on my bottom lash because I'm not going to do more than one. Okay, you guys, so I have done 2 coats of each on the top. Again, this is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, and this is a Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, and I just did 1 layer on the bottom for each just because that's not the section that I'm worried about. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so pulling it back, you can definitely see that they're doing 2 different things. This is definitely, to me, more lengthening, while this side is more volumizing. It's funny because on the Damn Girl, it says that this is supposed to really lock in the curl, and to me, the Bad Gal Bang, as of right now, looks more curled than the Damn Girl mascara, and it could just be because it has more length on it, so they stand up a little bit taller, but that's just kind of the first impressions that I get. The Bad Gal Bang also says you're supposed to get full volume. I can agree that they do look pretty volumized, but they're just more lengthened than volumized in my opinion. This definitely added some length, but it's just more volumizing in general, and that is the Damn Girl mascara. So what I'm going to do, because, you know, I haven't been wearing it long and I want to see how it lasts, I'm going to wear this throughout the day and come back later and let you see how curled they still look, if we've had any flaking, what's going on with that. That way I can wrap up this video and let you know which mascara is the better of the 2. I almost forgot to tell you guys, it is 11:26 right now, so that way you just know what time it is versus what time I come back and see you. That is all. See you in another second. Okay, you guys, I am back. It is 9:02 p.m. right now, which means that I have had this mascara on for like 10-ish hours now, which is quite impressive if you ask me. So I didn't feel the need to check back in because nothing crazy was going on. I felt like they were doing what lashes should be doing. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. Okay, you guys, so here is what my eyes look like after, what, 10 hours is what I just said. I will say that neither eye had any sort of like fallout or flakies or anything drop onto my face at any time period during the day, which is really, really great because there's nothing worse than having your mascara flake off and fall on your face, especially as someone who does have more oily skin, because the longer it sits there, the harder it is to remove without it leaving streaks on your face. So that is very, very good. I think both sides stayed curled the same way that they were after I put on everything this morning. So I don't think my curl drooped. I don't think anything weird like that happened. So I'm very impressed. I think the bottom lashes still look really, really nice. All in all, I do think both sides look good. They look just like they did after I had originally applied it this morning. So I'm very, very impressed in that sense. Okay, you guys, so wrapping it up in today's video of the makeup face-off between the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara and the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, the winner for me is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I just definitely think for my personal preferences, this outperformed the Damn Girl Mascara by a long shot. I like that it doesn't have a hefty odor. I like the thin silicone wand. I like that this looks like I could possibly have some sort of falsies on, even though I'm not wearing any. And I think for the individual overall consumer, this is a all-in-one mascara where you don't need multiple ones to get the job done. So yeah, you guys, that is the winner today. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these mascaras below. Have you tried either one of them? If you've tried both, which one was your favorite? And let me know if you would like to see more makeup face-off videos in the future. I had a lot of fun filming this one, and you can leave me any suggestions for products you want to see go head to head. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. If you liked it, you know the drill. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to hang out with me even more, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!